it's Alyssa and I'm from the Biz Loops. Anyways, today in this video I'll be doing squishy dares. So I'll be doing 3 squishy dares, and how this works is basically I have a whole box of squishies, and I asked some of you guys on my Instagram to comment down below some squishy dares, and I picked 3 dares. One of them I don't want to do. I've already done it, so I feel like I could do it again. But yeah, if you're not already, make sure to please hit that subscribe button down below, click the thumbs up or down, also hit that bell to get notified to join the Biz Loops, and let's just get straight into the video. So the first dare is to tape up a squishy. So I will be taping this little squishy. It's not Slowrise or anything. I don't know what taping it's going to do, because at one time at the bottom, I accidentally put tape on the bottom and it did that, but this one has a different texture to it, so I'm not really sure. So let's go. I'm gonna squish it and then put the tape around it. Here is the bottom. It doesn't really squish, but now I'm going to do the top. Okay guys, so I taped up the squishy. And at the end of this video, we're going to see if it did anything, so stay tuned to the end. Next dare, cover a squishy in slime. The slime is sticky. Sorry if the camera keeps moving, but I'll be using the Squishdelish garbage can. I got it out of a blind bag, and it's scented. And the slime is scented orange, and this is grapes. I don't know what it's going to smell like. Hopefully it actually comes off. I'm not going to cover the whole thing in slime because I don't want the slime to get all over my hands, but I am going to cover a good amount of it.
It's also melting in the sun. The slime is literally melting in the sun. Can you do a little more?
Guys, I'm going to go take this off inside. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so it doesn't smell like grape anymore. It kind of smells like cherry. It's kind of feels more slow rise. And the slime got so sticky. It's literally melting. So here's the final result. There's still some slime on it, but... Okay, let's move on to the final dare. This final dare was to cut a squishy. And I don't really want to do this because I already did this last video. Go check that video out. So I'm going to pick out a squishy. Heart beats fast, colors and I will be doing this strawberry squishy. It's super slow. I don't really want to do this. And it smells so good. So the dare was, I was just saying it's cut a squishy. It's actually cut a squishy in half. So I'll be cutting the squishy in half. Here we go. It won't cut. Guys, this is for real. This is not clickbait. Guys, I don't want to do this, and this is really hard. I'm pretty sure my brother would lock me out. Okay, so far I have all this. Look, ready? Look how it's really satisfying though. I'm gonna do it one more time. Make sure you guys could see it. Okay, now it's basically like a disconnected one. It's all disconnected. Now I just gotta cut through it, so I'm gonna speed this up. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna be showing you guys this donut that I taped earlier, so I'm gonna take it all off.
Get ripped it. Sorry, that's my really annoying brother. It'd be so annoying. Honestly, I love squishies. I cut the strawberry because it wasn't my favorite squishie. But I love food squishies, so I don't like murdering food squishies. And that kind of seems weird, but honestly, I don't like that squishy that much. My friend got that for me, so there you guys know her. It's actually good thing, the squishy. Okay, oh my gosh, my gosh, my gosh, my gosh. And I actually have to get my face on. You forgot to hide the remote. You forgot to hide the remote. I have it in my hand right now. I think I'm mom. What? I think I'm mom. I'm gonna start the video. No, no. Not that kid.
Okay guys, so this is the finishing result. Feels a little faster. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, bye!